In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload to OneDrive from your Xbox in a simple and clear way that should only take about 5 minutes. Let's go through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to know. First, we need to access your PC gaming settings. This is where we'll manage your captured clips. Navigate to your PC and open the gaming settings section. This is generally straightforward as these settings can often be found in the general settings menu on your computer. Once there, head over to the capture section and click on open folder. This is an essential step because this folder is where all your game clips and screenshots are stored. It's important you are aware of this location so you can easily access your content when you need to. With the folder open, browse through it and decide if you want to keep these clips in the current folder or if you want to create a new one specifically for organizing your Xbox captures. This is helpful if you have a lot of content and prefer to keep things tidy. Alternatively, you can also go through File Explorer directly. This way you have full control over where your files are stored. You can choose where to move the captures folder depending on how you like to keep your files. It's perfectly fine to place it anywhere on your PC as per your preference because Windows will remember this location and continue saving new clips there. When you're satisfied with your organization, it's time to move over to OneDrive. Launch OneDrive on your computer. Look over to the Create and Upload option, which is typically visible on the main interface of OneDrive. Click on this option and then select Folder. Now create a new folder specifically for uploading your Xbox game clips. Naming it something relevant like Xbox game clips can help in easily locating these files later on. Once the folder is created, click to open it. Next, click on the Create and Capture option again, which will lead us to the next step. We'll be using the Files Upload feature now. Click on it and this will prompt you to select files from your computer. In the final step, navigate back to the folder where your Xbox captures were saved. Select the clips you wish to upload and click on Upload. This will start the process of transferring your selected files from your computer to OneDrive. And there you have it, your Xbox game clips are now saved in OneDrive, making them accessible anytime, anywhere, as long as you have internet access. This process allows you to keep your gaming memories safe and easily shareable with friends or on other platforms. Thank you for following along and happy gaming.